'Cause I'm an ass. Today, Alex. You guys remember him? He's been featured in the channel a couple of times. Yeah, so it's Alex and I today. Again, like last time, we don't really have an agenda today. The only thing I really want to do, I want to go see Bob. We have something very special to give Bob today. I don't know what you just threw at me. Oh, I know what he threw at me. I've been getting lots of messages from you guys saying that Bob's pockets are full. So we'll see what Bob has to offer us today. Hopefully it's something good. Another uncertainty of today is what we're gonna do for food. Might do something simple for lunch today, actually. Last time we rode together, we hit at Boston Market, and the time before that, we had a Philly cheesesteak. I don't know what's left after that. Pizza? Pizza's always good. Steak? For those of you guys that are wondering, today I'm riding a 2008 Suzuki GSX-R 750. And I don't know what Alex is riding. I know he's riding a Harley. That's all I got. Damn, son. He's throwing shit at me. I forgot about those things. Dude, I got a whole cabinet of those poppers. I haven't been using them. Gotta get on it. I think we're turning here. Been riding a lot of dirt bikes lately. It's kind of beating me up. A couple days ago, I had a race, a desert race. 2 races in the same day. About 80 miles total. I'll be releasing those videos on my dirt bike channel coming up real soon. In fact, they're probably already going to be out by the time you guys see this one. So Clep's been gone for a while. A little sad, right? Might have to go up to Rhode Island and see what he's up to. Holy shit, Alex. Crazy bastard. Jesus. He's gonna blow every red light in the city. I want to remind all you guys that I do appreciate the patrons of the channel. Thank you. Did your Harley run good on 87? Because my bike runs great. You sure you don't want to splash the gas? Watch this. Excuse me, Mr. Cars, coming through. Not one Prius yet today, huh? Huh. It's pretty good. And this guy stopped way back. I'm all kinds of ahead today. That was so loud. Wow. Oh, there's a Prius. Of course. Fajitas. Where can we go for fajitas? Do you know who's got really good fajitas? Chili's. Woof woof. You smell antifreeze? I need a Red Bull, man. Today's vlog is low energy. All right, let's go see Bob. Smokey. What's up, Bob? What are you doing, dude?
Are you sub D?
I am sub D.
Oh my god, finally get to meet you. Darcy.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. I've got some stuff for you. Someone wanted to buy you a soda, so there's some cash in there for you too.
Right on.
Yeah. So
Let's raid his pockets and we'll just kind of set everything out. We got more stuff there. All kinds of goodies. Should we look under his cock? We got some Illuminati shit. What have we got? There we go. Dear Sub D, thanks for your vids. You and Club, Baker X, Dickhead, and R.S.M have brought joy to me and many others. I now ride because of all of you. Thanks, keep it up. Man, I appreciate that. There's another one. It says, Dear Sub D, I now ride because of the person that you guys inspired. I can't wait to see your content evolve. Keep it up. Moto Tico. That was a good one, dude. I like that. All right, guys. Well, thank you. I'm glad we helped inspire you to ride. You know, be careful, have fun, man. That's the most important. Have fun. Watch out for Priuses. What else we got? Oh, Hoonigan. I dig it. I'll take it. That's cool. Here's another one. Sub D and the club. Love watching both of your videos. I've always wanted to ride with you, and ever since you introduced club, wanted to meet and hang out with both of you. If we could ride and eat somewhere, that would be great. Please call if you guys get this. David. Should we call David? We'll go out there. We'll call David in a little bit. We'll invite him. That'd be fun. Remember, guys, if you want to leave anything, you know, anything of a value, something that's important, and you want to make sure that I get it, give it to whoever's working at the store, and they'll hold it back for me. Loco, what do we got? He just gave us money. Loca hooked it up. Chuckster, Warbeard. I like these guys. We got some stuff for Bob, don't we? Dude, we brought a Suburban Delinquent camo hat. Bob's looking strong. If you guys want to get that hat, it's available on my website, suburbandelinquent.com. We got a $10 rewards card for Chaparral. Put that in there too. All right, let's take a photo of Bob, his new attire. All right, Bob, enjoy the hat.
Try the prickly pear. It's one of our new ones. We got a prickly pear soda. It's one of my favorites. Yeah, right there.
All right, we'll do it. Prickly pear. Bugles Ranch. See it. You too. We got to call David, don't we? All right, so we're going to call David. We're going to invite him to lunch. We're not sure yet where we're going to go, but if David answers the phone, he wants to go, we're going to go eat a fatty steak somewhere. All right, David, here we go. Leave him a message. I'll leave him a message. What's up, buddy? David, visiting Bob. Got your note, man. Want to invite you out to lunch, go for a little rip. But we got voicemail, so we're going to have to catch you next time. Bummer, man. We really wanted to buy you some lunch today. Talk to you soon, buddy. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it. See you bye later. Let's go eat food. Want to do fajitas? Fajitas. Let's go to Avila's Ranchito. Did I say that right?
I don't know.
It's Avila's. Let's go to Avila's. Man, ever since they paved the road, I haven't been able to rip it out of there. Remember before, dude, I just bounced this bitch off the road. Can't do it anymore. It hooks up. Hooks up. All right, let's talk about some desert racing. On my dirt bike channel, I've been doing a little bit of racing. There is a race coming up here, and I think it's going to be in October. It's an endurance race. Gabe from Torture Test Magazine is coming out. If you guys aren't aware of that, dude, go check him out. It's all desert dirt bike stuff, but it's good, man. He has a lot of fun. He's fast too, so fast. Him and I, we teamed up. There's going to be maybe another 2 people on the team. I'm not entirely sure, but we're going to do this 24-hour endurance race at Glen Helen. If you guys want to come out and see us race, I would really appreciate the support. Something like that is so hard for me to do. Knowing that I have some of you guys out there rooting me on makes all the difference in the world. All right, back to the street bike shit. Enough about this dirt stuff. Dude, I thought that Prius was coming out. I want to go through my tunnel. I think I get to. Cause I'm an asshole. An asshole. I smell the fajitas. All right, dude, let's eat fajitas. Avila's, what'd you think, man?
It was pretty good. They need to double wrap their soft tacos, though.
You had some issues. Big fatty taco. I like this place a lot. I just hate how expensive it is.
Yeah.
Everything that you saw on the table today, and we didn't even get drinks, $40. I don't know. The pricing is a little wonky, but it is good. All right, Alex, you gonna take off? Head home?
Out here. Thanks for lunch.
Right on. Do you almost... I'm going left. I'm gonna go hit my tunnel. I had to do it. Always a good time riding around with Alex. crazy son of a bitch. Son of a bitch. Give me a drink. I had a fun day today. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, I really appreciate it. If you'd hit that like button. And if you haven't yet, don't forget to subscribe. It's super helpful if you share the channel with some of your friends and relatives or anyone else that you think might be interested in this stuff. Another big shout out to the patrons of the channel. You know who you are. We do like you. I like you. I like you a lot. Love you. If you'd like to support the channel with a shirt, sticker, key tag, whatever, encourage you to do so on my website at suburbandelinquent.com. And let's not forget to support the channel sponsors: Chaparral Motorsports, law offices of Henry Haddad, LUIMOTO, Voss Helmets. Appreciate all those companies. All I ask is that you consider those companies first if you're into any of the services or products they produce. All right, yo. I'll catch you guys later. 'Cause I'm an asshole.